just checked in the MGM. I should say I just checked in, sorry. We are in the Tower Spa Suite at the MGM Grand. Also just a quick room tour, everything. Nice little couch there. Again, this is Labor Day weekend. I asked for any upgrades, and of course, because of the holiday weekend, there wasn't any available, but I'm good with it. Good old mini bar there. I did request a fridge. That was the option. Double sink vanity. And what makes it the spa suite is there is a deep tub jacuzzi. Not bad. Back up in the main, this is one king bedroom. I'm assuming storage. Yep, good old storage. Let's turn the light on there, okay. Again, one king bed. The view that I have, if you call it a view, I guess it's not too bad. And I'm at the end of the hall, which is the sucky thing, but is what it is. This is only our second time staying at MGM Grand, so we'll see how it goes. They usually treat us well. All right, that's the room tour. It's time to go play. Start to the vlog. Day one, Brandy's still trying to get in. We'll see if she comes in tomorrow or not. I'm at MGM Grand. I got my nicely made casino shirt on. Plan is to grab something to eat really quick. I know that Vegas Dog, Chris and Alex are staying here tonight. They just got married. Congrats to them. I've been talking to Chris for a year and a half. First time that I get to meet him. So that'll be some shenanigans later, I'm sure, tonight. My room is at the end of the hall, of course, so that kind of sucks. Flight in wasn't too bad. Detroit airport was kind of crazy checking in. Smooth to get a cab at MGM. I'm gonna try to do a little more stuff entertainment-wise on this trip besides gamble. So we're gonna go grab something to eat, and I'll take a quick tour of that. And then we'll keep you posted. Hopefully some big wins. Alright, we're playing Golden Geisha at MGM Grand. 2-cent bets, $1.50. First time playing this, so wish us luck. Why don't you say us? Come on. 15 games, come on. Come on. Come on. 2 cents, come on. Alright, come on, big numbers. And negation. No, wilds. So she's wilds. We need the geisha and lions. So let's go. I do like that expands. Shaboots, come on. No, one of the wilds. Come on. Come on. Come on. No. Horrible. Come on. Wilds. No. Come on. Halfway through. Alright, come on. Give me that. Come on. Geisha. There we go. Man. Retrigger. Come on. Retrigger. Something. I got one. Retrigger. Come on. 3. $17 something. Come on. Yeah. 5 spins left. Come on. No. Come on. Come on. Alright. Geisha. Geisha. Money. Oh. Yes. 2 spins left. Come on. 2 spins. Come on. No. Come on. Money. No. $18. Cafe food came. I just got the American classic egg scrambled bacon, potatoes, sourdough bread. Reuse room comps on it. Not bad. I like it here. All right, just left Avenue Cafe. It's open close. Overall, what was it, 26 bucks? I'll put a copy of the receipt. We had comps though. I keep saying we, I'm so used to it. It was okay. Potatoes were a little spicy. I've had better, but hey, it's free comp. So waiting on Chris and Alex. I'm gonna play for a little bit and have a first beer. We'll come back if we hit. All right, we're playing Dancing Drums. We haven't seen it yet. $1.80 at that. Last time we picked, don't screw me over. Come on. Come on. Hey, babe. $1.88. Come on. Re-trigger. No. Cups. Nothing. Chips. And a pot close. No, that's going to be the thing. Come on. It's not going to be used. Oh, I can do it on this one. Finish drop. Nope. Fingers. Ultimate explosion. Good morning. It is Friday afternoon. Didn't recap last night, but we'll do it this morning. So I met up with Chris and Alex, Vegas Dog. If you haven't subscribed, great folk. We enjoy ourselves, played some slots. Just woke up. It's afternoon. Rough night last night. So game plan today. Brandy is coming in. She'll be here 5-6 hours ish. Play some slots, get something to eat, and then if we have any wins, we'll keep you posted. All right, we're playing Buffalo Ultimate Stampede. We just did minimum bet because it was almost full, and we did hit it. So let's go. It's gonna be minimum, but who cares? Whatever, just keep filling it. Come on, unlock it. Let's go. All right, there we go. Come on. Hit it. 42 points, come on. 2 more Buffalo, let's go. 2 more. Good go. Come on, 3 spin left, let's go. Something. Come on. Point. 3 trigger, come on. Knock on wood, go. 6 spin. We'll take it. Let's go. Come on, Buffalo. There you go, come on. 3 more left, come on. 2 more. Come on. Break some glass, break some glass. Point it. Something. 2 spins left. Something. Come on. All right. Oh, we need 2 points. Come on. That's good. Mini for war 10. Come on. 2 more to unlock it. Let's go. Point it. Come on. Son of a gun. Let's go. Last spin. Come on. Something. Keep it alive. Keep it alive. Yeah. We'll take it though. We just do minimum to hit it. Well, 42.60. 75-cent bet. We'll take it all day. That is Buffalo Ultimate Stampede.